This video is a highly requested video with one of the creator, Sunflower Diaries. So I got this inspiration because she watched my sunflower tablescape last year and I made this one for her. So Sunflower Diaries, this is for you and I hope you enjoy. The person I'm collaborating today is...
Hi friends, this is Shangie of Shangie's Home Decor and Lifestyle. And what I do on this channel is I do tablescapes, flower arrangements, wreath making, and lifestyle living. I live here in San Diego, California, so I'll share my city with you as well as what I do here in my home. If you're interested in that type of content, please click subscribe. Bye friends.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today guys, I am collaborating with Shangie of Home Decor and Lifestyle, and we are doing a sunflower tablescape. My tablescape, I dedicated this to one of a beautiful creator here in YouTube, and her name of her channel is Sunflower Diaries. So I'm recreating this tablescape. I did last year a sunflower tablescape, and I will leave the link of that video in my iCard so that you can see over there, because that one I did I believe 2 or 3 different styling ideas. Alright everyone, let's get this started. Here I will be using my thrifted items from Goodwill last year. This one is 50% off, and I believe this is a sunflower or flower, and it looks like this. So I only paid $1 and I believe 25 cents. I have 4, so my table, it will be table for 4 this time. Everyone, after you watch my video, please go over to Shangie of Shangie's Home Decors and Lifestyles channel and tell her I sent you. Again, I will be reusing this Michael charger from Michael's. Next, this plate from Home Goods last year that I bought. I used this one in Mad Hatter Tea Party. That's the price right there. So I'm reusing this. Goblets from Home Goods. I will leave the link of the video of my tablescape in my iCard as well, if you guys like to check that out. Silverware is a West Elm brand, and I bought this one from Home Goods few months ago, and this is the first time that I use this. Napkin came from Crate and Barrel. Same thing with the placemat. This is Steve's gift to me on my 45th birthday last year. I really love the pattern on it. Here, throw pillow from Home Goods, and it looks like flower to me, and it's perfect for this theme. My lantern from Burlington, and this is also the first time that I use this. I supposed to use this in a boho chic, and I cannot find them in the basement. And again, when I go down there, I find it. And again, guys, I'm using my Glam candle holder. I need to have those glam touch there. this one, the base came from at home. The flowers are mixed from Walmart, Dollar Tree, and Home Goods. And I have this one since last year as well. Actually, I have two new here, which is this one right here. Came from Home Goods. I just opened the window because I like the air flow. So, alright everyone, are you ready to see the reveal? Welcome to my sunflower tablescape in the afternoon view. I hope you enjoy.
Esta vez sentía que era eterno, tus besos fríos como el invierno, lo sé, pero tal vez estás con otro que no te quieres, pero yo te quisiera más que 1000 mujeres y no hay que doler pa' sanar y cerrar esta herida y se siente vivir cuando no estás. Si algún día nos vemos y me acuerdo de esos instantes, si dejáramos el pasado y esos besos, pero los dos nos amaríamos como antes. Es que no es la realidad, pero si fuera verdad, creo que me parará todo ese dolor, pero no me llevará a donde yo quiera estar sin una imaginación a tu alrededor. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo baby ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy.
This specific sunflower tablescape, I will give you 3 different views. First is the afternoon view and the backdrop of our pond at the back, and here is another view of the scenery outside. And I hope pretty soon we're going to have a deck. And here it is, guys. And as you can hear everyone, the birds are chirping outside, ready for summer. And here is the morning view. As you can see, the sunshine through our window. It's very, very bright. Here is the nighttime view, and I hope guys you enjoy the nighttime view as well. Everyone, please don't forget to stop by at my friend Shangie of Home Decor and Lifestyles channel. And I hope guys you enjoy what she's doing over there, and please connect with her. If you're a farmhouse lover, she's really good at it, and also in wreath making, a tablescape for two, so she's really good at it. Also everyone, I'm gonna leave the link of the creator Sunflower Diaries channel, and I hope you can check it out as well. And if you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload new videos you will be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.